In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change photos on Squarespace. If you want to update an image on your site without rebuilding the whole section, Squarespace makes the process pretty simple once you know where to click. I'll walk you through the exact flow so you can quickly swap out an existing image with a new one from your library. To begin, go to the image that you want to change and click on the current image. This selects the image block or image area you want to edit. Make sure you're choosing the correct image before moving on, especially if your page has multiple photos close together. Once the image is selected, click the pencil icon to edit it. This opens the image settings where Squarespace gives you options to adjust or replace the photo. The pencil icon is typically the main edit control, so if you don't see replacement options right away, this is the place to start. Next, click on Replace. This tells Squarespace that you want to swap the existing image for a different one, rather than just changing settings like captions or design options. It's an important step because it opens the file selection choices. At this point, you'll see the option to either upload a file or select one from your library. This gives you flexibility depending on where your new image is coming from. If the image is already stored in your Squarespace files or image library, choosing from the library can save time. If it's brand new and saved on your device, uploading may be the better option. For this walkthrough, click on Select from Library. This will open your available images so you can browse through previously uploaded files. It's a convenient choice if you regularly reuse brand images, product photos, or other website assets. Now select the image you want to use. Take a second here to confirm it's the right file, especially if several images look similar in thumbnail view. Choosing carefully now helps avoid having to repeat the process. After selecting the image, click Add. This applies the new photo to the image block and completes the replacement process. Once it updates, you should see the new image appear in place of the old one. And that's how to change photos on Squarespace. It's a quick edit, but it can make a big difference when you're refreshing your site content, updating visuals, or keeping your pages current. If needed, give the page a final look to make sure the new image fits well within the layout and looks the way you expect.